Hi students, problem number 7. A man rows 6 km per hour in still water. If the river is running at 3 km per hour, it takes 45 minutes to row to a place and back. How far is the place? So very simple question only. So the man is starting from a point A and he travels a distance x kilometer to reach B. And again he is coming back from B to A, the same distance only. So that the total time for this up and down journey is equal to how much? 45 minutes. So in still water, the speed of the man. So I will take the speed of the man or the boat. Okay, speed of the man or the boat is equal to 6 km per hour. And the river is running at a speed of 3 km. So this is speed of water is equal to 3 km per hour. Then what else is given? The total time T1 plus T2 is equal to 45 minutes. So 45 minutes is equal to 3 by 4 hour. We will keep it in the same unit, okay, hour. Because the speeds are given kilometer per hour. So now we will form two equations as usual. So one equation for upstream. So for upstream we will take the time T1. Time is equal to distance divided by the relative speed. So T1 must be equal to, the distance is x. So x divided by, so this is equal to x divided by the relative speed for upstream. Upstream means what? It is the speed of the boat minus the speed of water. Upstream means opposing, okay. So this is x divided by SB minus SW. So this is S man. Man and boat both are one and the same. This is also equal to what is speed of the boat. That is equal to the speed of the man, which is 6. So this is 6 minus 3. And this is our equation 1. Similar equation for downstream. So for downstream means it is along the direction of water. This is along the direction of water, and upstream means what? Against the stream. And this is along the stream. Every time I am writing so that you will understand well. So here the time T2 must be equal to what? The distance D2 divided by the relative speed S2. So this is equal to x divided by S boat. It is along the stream, no? So it is plus S water. So T2 is now equal to this x divided by here 6 plus 3. So this is equal to what? 6 plus 3. So T2 is now equal to x divided by 9. This is equation 2. So this is 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So I will write T1 is also equal to what? X divided by 6 minus 3 is 3. So I am rewriting the equation 1. But what is the total time taken is equal to 3 by 4 hour. So T1 plus T2 is equal to, so x by 3 plus x by 9 is equal to, the total time taken is 3 by 4 hour. So this is equal to what? 3 by 4. So LCM is 9. So this is 3x plus x by 9. So taking LCM, 3x plus x whole divided by 9 is equal to 3 by 4. So 4x is equal to 3 by 4 into 9. So 4x is equal to 27 by 4. X is equal to 27 by 4 4s are 16. Therefore, x is equal to 27 divided by 16. If you take the ratio, it is exactly equal to 1.6875 kilometer. So, that is equal to what? That is equal to the distance. So what is asked here? How? So if the river is running at 3 km per hour, it takes place and back. How far is the place only is the question, is it not? How far means what? A to B, distance only is asked. So the place B is at what distance from A is X. So this is the answer, A to B. Therefore, the distance A to B is equal to 1.6875 kilometer. So very simple. So only thing is you have to form two equations, one for upstream and one for downstream. So you have to understand carefully that for upstream means the relative speed means it is a difference between the speeds, and the downstream means the relative speed is the sum of the speeds. Otherwise, it is very simple. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.